Yesterday we discussed about this plant hierarchy templates and plant group types, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Now we are going to learn briefly about this.
Yeah.
Please extend that plus one. See, in plant group types, there are 8 are there, like area, business, sector, level, plant system, site, subsystem, unit.
Yeah.
So by default, these 8 plant group types are available in the P&ID. If you want, we
Okay.
can add more.
Okay. Okay.
If you want add a new plant group type, or just right
Yeah.
click on the plant group type. Here we can give the name, like
Okay.
which type you want give. You can give ABCD. Now we added new plant group type,
Yes.
that is ABCD. Right click on the ABCD.
There is a
Now
delete option. Yeah.
here we can delete. If you don't
Okay.
want, you can
Directly.
delete.
Okay.
Yes. Now select the plant group type again. Right click. Yes. Select the data dictionary manager. So normally, if you see, if you open data dictionary manager directly, you cannot
Yeah.
see these things.
Yes.
Select ABCD. Select all. Select this one. Database item types. These are the item types. Okay. Select
Okay.
list. Go to selected list in the entry. In the select
Yeah.
list entry,
Okay.
in
Selected
the
list.
top, select application. So if you observe here,
Yeah.
SmartPlant P&ID is connected in SmartPlant Drawing Engineering Manager,
Okay.
and we can connect SPL SmartPlant Electrical, because normally SmartPlant P&ID and SmartPlant Electrical we can connect same data dictionary same engineering manager and data dictionary manager.
Okay.
Yes,
Under one
yes,
engine, that direction manager. Okay. Both will be
yeah.
same.
For SPL
Yeah.
and the P&ID, only one
Okay.
is enough. Now please select the first one, database tables. Select the unit, bottom one. If you see the unit code, name is unit code, display name
Yes.
is unit, and the type is string.
Yeah.
Did you remember yesterday? Do one thing, just go to that engineering manager. Now see, go to plant,
Yes.
extend the plant one on the top.
And
Plant one is
group.
our project one.
Okay.
Extend
Plant
it,
groups.
plant groups. You can extend both. Now observe here,
Okay.
unit one is there, right?
Yeah.
Right click the
Yes.
properties, right click properties.
Yeah. Even the code is
Now see,
1024.
normally in P&ID we can add new properties like yesterday we added one item tab for pipe run and the temperature
Okay.
based on your name, Amir temperature, like that, right? Property.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So similarly,
Yeah.
for plant group names, we have to
Yes.
add all kind of properties by
Yeah.
using this kind of data dictionary manager. That data dictionary
Okay.
manager is different. Dictionary
Yeah.
manager is different. So now see
Only.
here. Here, first one is name and the
Yeah. Yes.
description
Yeah.
and the unit code. Now go to that one, data dictionary manager. So if you observe here, the name, unit code, display name
Yes.
also unit code. There we entered 1024. So
Yes.
it is kind of string. So whatever we type in there, it will take.
Ah, okay. Because
And it
string.
is not a select list. Yeah, not a select list entry.
Okay. Okay.
And it is formal uppercase. So whatever you type in lowercase, automatically it will show
Yeah.
uppercase.
Yes.
So there we can type maximum 40 characters,
Okay.
and it will
Yes.
show display to user, and we
Yeah.
can apply the filter also. So like this, we can add properties in this data dictionary manager. Now close this
Okay.
one. Close this data
Close.
dictionary manager. Yeah, close it. Yeah. Now go to data dictionary engineering manager. Yes.
Yes.
Here cancel this one. So like
Yeah.
this we can, yeah, cancel this one. Like
Yes.
this we can add plant
Yeah.
group types.
Okay.
No, don't minimize. Expand this one. Expand plant one. Extend the plant one. Extend plant group. Plant group also. Yes, area. See, if you observe
Yeah.
here, plant
Yes.
one and plant groups and area
Yeah.
and unit one.
Yes.
These all are nothing but
Yeah.
plant group types.
Okay. It's called
Okay.
plant group type.
So
Okay.
here, yeah, can you please expand the hierarchy 7?
Okay.
Hierarchy 7.
Yes.
If you observe hierarchy 7, first is
Yes.
plant, second is area, third is unit.
Yes.
Our plant is hierarchy 7 1. So that's why we
Okay.
can able to see plant, area, unit.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
uh, by default in P&ID, there are 7
Yeah.
hierarchies are there. If you want,
Okay.
you can add new more hierarchy. Right click the
Oh,
hierarchy. In the hierarchy templates,
yeah.
right click on the templates.
Yes. No
Yes,
hierarchy
right
template.
click. If you want, yeah, if you want add your own template, you can right
Yes.
click. Here you can add new hierarchy
Yeah.
template.
Okay.
So whatever name you want, you can give.
Okay.
You can give like
And
hierarchy 8 or hierarchy ABCD, whatever you want.
okay. I just given ABCD on.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Now here,
Yeah.
if you select the in the root plant group type,
Okay.
select that one. Yeah, actually some lag is there.
Yeah, some lag is there.
Now see, plant group types are showing 9. So
Yeah.
those all are showing here.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
In our project, in our
Yeah.
project, the root one
Yeah.
is plant. So
Okay.
this is your own customized hierarchy. That's why you can select ABCD.
Okay. Okay.
Select ABCD, press
Oh,
OK. A new hierarchy is created. Right click on the ABCD, right click on the ABCD, new
okay.
level.
Yeah.
Now which one you want to give? Do you want give plant or what?
Plan.
Whatever you want, you can give.
Maybe.
Okay, do one thing.
Okay.
Give plant.
Okay.
Press OK.
Right click on the plant or ABCD?
Plant
Plant.
only. Whenever you are adding in new hierarchy,
Yes.
you have to select that one only. Plant.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Now after plant, select area.
Depth means one, two means it will go plan the area and something like that, right? One,
Yeah, I
two,
will tell you.
depth.
Once complete this one, I will tell you. Now select OK. Now
Yes.
right click on the area. Again add new level.
Anything we can give, right? Maybe
Anything we
site,
can
you.
give. Yeah,
Okay.
anything we can give. But normally we have to follow some naming standard.
This is a unique standard.
Unit, yes. Why we are mentioning here this one? Now
Yes.
wait. Here
Okay.
allow P&ID. Allow P&ID
Okay.
drawings. Right click on the unit. On the unit,
Okay. Yeah. Allow PN points. Okay.
allow P&ID drawings.
Okay.
Suppose you are
Yes.
not allowing the P&ID, you cannot
Ah.
able to create the drawings.
Okay. Means area here also asking allow PN idea
Yes.
in area and plant.
The
There is also
yeah,
option. Okay.
the thing
Yes.
is in the
Yeah.
hierarchy,
Yeah.
anyway, at least you have to give one allow P&L drawings. Anyway, at
Okay.
least one. So
Yes.
in the unit you have mentioned, right? So it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Mostly
The
it will
minimum,
come with the standard, right? It will come
yes,
the
yes,
unit only.
yeah. So why we choose like this one? Na? Let me
Yeah.
explain. Suppose how can you measure the weight? First, you will measure in the milligrams, then
Yes.
grams,
Yeah.
then kilograms,
Yeah. Exactly.
then ton and
Yeah.
quintal, ton and metric ton like that, right?
Yes.
So you're going step by step like this. First is the
Yeah.
unit one.
Okay.
Group of units called area.
Okay.
Group of area called plant. Like that you have to go. You have to choose.
Okay.
That's why
Yes.
if you clearly
Yeah.
observe plant group types, 8 are there. See. So
Yeah.
in this, based on my understanding, I
Yeah.
will choose business sector
Okay. Yes.
and then I will choose site.
Yeah.
Then I will choose plant and plant
Okay.
system
Okay.
and subsystem,
So yes.
area, level,
Area.
unit. Like that I will choose. I mean, so we
Okay.
have to follow some hierarchy. If
Okay.
you are,
That's depend upon the project, right? If
yes,
it will extend more and
yeah,
more, no problem. I mean, 10,
yes,
no problem.
n
No
number
issue.
of, n number of.
10.
The thing is,
Yes.
how many
Yeah.
plant group types are there? Those many hierarchy we can add.
Okay.
See,
Oh, how many?
if you see,
Yes. Yeah.
if you see your hierarchy, first thing is
Yeah.
your hierarchy name is ABCD8.
Yes.
First hierarchy ABCD,
Yeah.
second is plant, third is area,
Okay.
fourth is
Yeah.
unit. So here
Okay.
four completed.
So six more
So
you can add. So that
so
means it should
that
not be repeat.
yeah should not repeat. Yeah. How many plant group types are there? Those many we can add here.
So if we want to rename, it will rename means we want to add one more plan group type and we will go
Yes,
to hierarchy like that.
yes, correct.
Directly
Suppose
we cannot
if
rename.
you
Yeah.
no directly we cannot.
Okay, okay. We have to
If
add a
you want,
plan
you can
group type
delete.
first.
So this is the unit. In this unit,
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
this is the hierarchy, right?
Yeah.
So once the hierarchy is finalized, then
Yeah.
we're going to plan structure. If you see plan structure
Yes. Yes.
on the top, so this is
Plan
the
six.
level hierarchy plan structure. So
Okay.
whenever we're going to create a new site, new plant, so
Yeah.
first we have to get the hierarchy from the client. So once it
Okay.
is get clarified, then we are going to create plant structure. If you observe the plant structure here,
Yeah.
the hierarchy is plant group and area and unit.
Yes.
It means the customer choose hierarchy 7 for this project.
Okay. Yes.
That's why in our plant we can give maximum 3 because plant group
Okay.
area unit is already fixed one, so we cannot change
Okay.
that one.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, this is all about hierarchy
Yeah.
templates and plant group types.
So meaning if you start a project after that, if you want to change something, title means plan or area unit name
Yeah,
cannot change, right?
no, we cannot change.